Hi guys, it's Shakshi Shetty aka Shakshi and welcome to my channel. I'm talking a little softly right now because I don't have a lot of time. So today I'm at Jia Gupta's house, my very dear friend. I absolutely love her, but I'm gonna be playing a couple of pranks on her. I feel very bad. I'm at her house and like थोड़ा pranking करते हैं. I've got some equipments and stuff for pranking, but in front of her, I'm gonna pretend like I'm shooting an entire day vlog or something like that. You know, creator stuff like कुछ भी shoot हो रहा है उसका कुछ भी मना लेते हैं types. I really want to make this successful because Jia Gupta is not a girl who can easily get pranked. So right now I think she's gone for a shower or something. So I have a lot of time. Once she comes out, I'm gonna start. Jia and anyone we find, I'll try to like include her in the later pranks because I think eventually she'll understand कि एक के बाद एक prank क्यों करी है. So later we'll try to join and I'll join her in my squad and we'll prank other people. This is gonna be so exciting. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Hi guys! I am so excited and happy she's here. We've been waiting to do this for such a long time. Like, this is the first friend I've met who makes videos with me. This is the happiest moment of my life.
Aww.
And we're gonna shoot a vlog today.
We're shooting a vlog. We have a lot of activities planned.
We have a list of videos we have to make for you guys because we want to get amazing content to you since we're together.
Oh, by the way guys, if you all don't know who she is already, what is wrong with her, she's Jia Gupta. She's like an amazing content creator. All her socials are down. Follow her right now. Yes, right now.
And don't forget to subscribe to Shakshi's channel because I know you already have, but like still you have to do it.
This will look like
this is like self-promotions happening here.
इसने कर दिया, मेरे को भी करना पड़ेगा. क्या कर दिया इसने हमने
follow? Well, I've said it all the time. Like I said it in every video. Like subscribe to her channel because like I haven't met a friend like this before, and she's the sweetest. And I think अभी हमने pizza order किया है. So like
we are gonna get ready and shit.
And we're gonna eat like bhukkar people. Pehले.
Monsters.
We need energy to shoot so many videos.
Then we're gonna head out. Everything.
Then we're gonna get ready.
A lot of fun activities. I'm gonna take you all with us throughout the day. You all won't miss anything important.
Shooting a vlog.
Woo!
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay guys, in this first part, I have this lipstick. जिसको open करने से current. Okay, she's almost done with shower. I think I'm gonna test it out on myself just to make sure that I've tested it already. I'm doing it in front of the camera just to show her इतना नहीं है. I can take it. I'm sure she can. She's strong. Ow! It's a little this thing, but चलता है इतना ठीक है. So. Let's go. I'm just placing the camera here because we're getting ready and I'll fast forward it because जैसे भी vlog video.
Yeah. ठीक है.
Great. Ooh, nice shade. Achha, listen, my lipstick is not getting open. Can you help me out with this, please?
Should take the big lipstick wala thing na.
Arey, I really like this shade, yeah, इसलिए.
Who's that? Who's that?
Prank video.
I hate you.
Successfully pranked Jia Gupta. More things to come throughout the day. I'm so sorry. I tried.
Where did you get that from?
I got it from a friend. I tried this on my own
number
account.
of your friend. I'm so embarrassed. I was like, I cannot be pranked. I'm gonna do this to my mother. I'm not even kidding.
I'm thinking abhi Jia won't get pranked again because come on, she knows I'm up to something.
I will keep an eye out for you the entire time.
So I will try to join in on with me and we'll prank other people like her mom and there are many people in her house. So किसी ना किसी को पकड़ के ठीक है. और I might do it to her again also. You never know. So let's see. What? Okay guys, abhi lunch time hai. We are gonna do a lot of evil planning and everything as to how to prank whom. And we also have our lunch date right now. Me and Jia. So yeah. Hi guys, so I again don't have a lot of time. She's gone inside again. We have shot some content for her channel, so uska wo kar rahi hai. Meanwhile, this prank is so crazy. I have this fake tongue, okay? Like, let me place it into it. This looks so real. It feels so weird, like feels like an actual tongue. Okay, like just look at it. I'm gonna wait right here. Put like toothpick here, and I also stole some red paint. This was not planned. I saw she has a whole paint ka wall and brushes. This is something that I've stolen for the prank. So I'm gonna make this look as realistic as possible. I don't have a lot of time. I hope she doesn't come out before art. Now this is looking like real blood. She'll think it's real because we had ordered pizza or something, and उससे वैसे भी toothpick वगैरह था. So I'll make some.
I'm gonna cry. Mom. I'm gonna get. Okay. I'm gonna.
It's fake, bro. Guys, I got her again.
No, don't touch me with that. No.
I got her again, guys.
I was literally gonna call the ambulance.
I saw that she was literally gonna go and die.
I have tears in my eyes right now. Why would you do that to me? You met me for the first time. I called my mom to come home.
She got her mom to come home. Is she coming? Tell her to cancel the plan and do whatever she was doing.
I don't like her.
Bro, please.
No, don't touch me with that. Don't.
Content, yeah.
Like keep that away. Yeah, I literally have tears in my eyes. I'm so phobic of blood.
Guys, Jia is in this with me. Now we're gonna call her family members. Shayad say her brother is coming, so.
I'm pretending I'm still in shock because actually I am. Jay!
हाँ क्या हुआ? पागल है क्या? मम्मी को बुला.
मैं I call mom.
मम्मा को बुला ना.
I call mom.
अरे पागल है मैं नहीं कर रहा यार. तू पागल है. अबे कट वट जाएगा. अबे कट वट जाएगा. पागल है क्या?
मैं नहीं कर सकती.
अबे पागल मम्मी को बुला.
तो
मैं नहीं कर रहा. मैं नहीं कर रहा भाई.
Please like help her, Jazz. You know what?
तो हॉस्पिटल लेके चलना. मैं क्या करूँगा?
हॉस्पिटल लेके अकेले.
नकली है ये तो.
This is our Jia Gupta's brother.
And he got pranked.
He got pranked. Woo!
कोई अच्छी बात नहीं है. I don't know.
This is another magical equipment. I'm not gonna try it on Jia anymore because now she's not gonna believe anything I tell her
I'm
because
gonna like not give her food.
Come on, girl. Food. Don't remove it out on food. So this is the last magical prank device that I have. So this looks like a car key, but when you press on this button, you again get an electric shock.
Cheese. अपने आप से होती रही है.
हाँ, मैं screenshot ले लूँगी.
She has this.
ये बंद किया तूने? बैटरी खत्म हो
हाँ,
जाएगी.
कर दिया.
Cool.
She has these crazy sanitizers. ये पागल है, ठीक है, sanitizer. It's a big sanitizer problem. She has used sanitizer 10 million times. Even if she sneezes एक बार, uses sanitizer. She's sitting, कुछ नहीं करने के लिए sanitizer. मतलब she has a lipstick sanitizer. एक ये भी sanitizer है.
अच्छा, कार की टाइप है ना?
हाँ, इसके third button में. Try करो. मैं crazy third वाला कार वाला.
और मुझे लगा मुझे करंट लग रहा है बट ये सैनिटाइजर ही है.
can get her.
I feel so bad. आंटी आप मुझे वापस से घर पे लोगे ये ट्राई करने के बाद नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आऊंगी तो
I won't trust you again.
oh shit
करंट लगा दिया यार. मतलब मैं सैनिटाइजर सोच रही हूँ और
We literally got her. I thought we like at one point I was gonna laugh so bad. And I was like, Mama को पता है like इसकी इतनी back story. I talked to her for 5 minutes. Okay, that's how patient I am.
but she's very cute she trusted us like that only yeah
And now she's not gonna touch anything we give her. Even for school is there.
even a sanitizer I will not use.
hey guys so that was my video on pranking G I got
I am not even kidding. I have never screamed like this in my entire life. I have, as a child, been very phobic of blood. If I see blood, I kind of freak out. And
Now I feel bad for
a
you.
toothpick in your tongue is not the best thing to show a blood phobic person. So I kind of hit her for that, and she like met me for the first time, and she's been pranking
I think
me.
I freaked her out I freaked everyone in our
Yeah,
house
and because that tongue is so damn realistic. Like anyone would fall for that, not me. And how do you find such things?
I think next time when I come to her house
Like,
I'll
give
have
me
to come
prank
with
stuff.
a cute sorry gift like
Yes, like get me a bouquet, like sorry for pranking you. And so after the prank, it was genuinely fun to like laugh on others. So
Yeah.
that was genuinely fun.
Yeah, this video was amazing. Let us know in the comments below if you all want me to shoot more videos there. I'll come all the way to Delhi or I'll come
Yes,
all the way to
I will
Mumbai.
go to Bombay next time.
Only for you guys.
Only for you.
And
you.
please subscribe
Please
to our
subscribe
channel.
to our channel. Show love to our channel.
And we've
YouTube.
created something very fun on her channel.
So we've transformed ourselves into each other.
Like I have become all girly and cute and
And
sweet
I have
like
become
Shreya.
badass like. Like Shakshi does this now. I think
The link is going to be down.
and we've also created too many IGTVs, reels and everything. So do not forget to check it out and we'll be back.
Yeah.
Maybe again super soon.
Now we're going to chill and